Hello everyone, welcome back to Coders Project. In today's video, we're going to be solving the longest common prefix problem on LeetCode. So we need to write a function to find the longest common prefix string amongst an array of strings. If there is no common prefix, we need to return the empty string. So in this example, we are given an input of strings strs, and we have flower, flew, and flight in it. And our longest common prefix is going to be fl amongst these three words. And over here in our second example, we have a couple of words and no common prefix, so we need to return an empty string. Let's get started. So the first thing what we need to consider is if it is an empty input. If we do not have any strings in our list, then we basically return an empty string. So if not in our strings, we return an empty string. And if it is only a single string, if we have a single string case, then we need to return the same string, because let's say we have strs with only flower. The longest common prefix of this list of strings is going to be the first word itself. So we need to check that and return. If length of our strings is equal to 1, we return the first element. And now we need to find the shortest string among the given list of strings. So in order to do that, we're going to be using the min function with our len as key. So this is going to find the shortest string. I'm going to name that as shortest. Okay. And this is also going to prevent our index out of range errors when we're going to be iterating through it. So now we need to iterate through the characters of the shortest string. Let's get started for that. We need to have a for loop for I and char and enumerate of our shortest. So basically this enumerate function is going to provide both the index and the character. And now we'll have a nested loop to compare the current character across all of the strings. So let me name that as for every other string, if the current character is not equal to our char, then we return the shortest until that string, until that character. So basically the other of I is going to access the character at the same position in each string, and the shortest of beginning till our I is going to slice the prefix up to the mismatch point and return that. And if there is if all the characters match, then we just return the shortest. So what we have done so far is we have considered this edge case where we have an empty input array, and we just return the empty string, and we check for our single string case and go ahead and return that word, and we find the shortest string among our list of strings, and we're going to be iterating through the characters of the shortest string and check if check that character against all other strings and return the prefix up to the mismatch point. And if all the characters match, we go ahead and return the shortest string. So let's go ahead and test this code. Okay, looks like our test cases have passed. Let's go ahead and run other test cases. Okay, looks like all the test cases have passed. Right. If you do get this question in an interview, discuss the multiple approaches what you can solve this. There's another method which you can use to solve this using the zip function. That's going to have a time complexity of O of n and space complexity of O of n as well. Try to explain the time and space complexity and handle the edge cases thoroughly, and show how we can use string manipulation, and then show your understanding of it. If you need to further practice this to thorough your understanding, try to modify the solution for case sensitive prefix and try to add input validation. If you need any if you have any questions, or if you need any specific video, let me know in the comments and I'll get that posted. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed watching the video. Have a nice day and see you in the next video.